Hi everyone, this is Catherine Bennett. I'm the Global Communications Manager for Synergy Worldwide. And I just went with Bostian and Arena around the manufacturing facility for Nature's Sunshine facility where Synergy products are actually manufactured. So we got to see everything from the testing of the products to the manufacturing to the labeling to the shipping. And it was an awesome experience. How did you enjoy it?
Yeah, very much. It was res odlično je bilo, naučila sva se spet nekaj novega, videla sva veliko zanimivih stvari. Najbolj sem si zapomnila, da imajo tam notri stroj, ki v bistvu simulira dogajanje v vašem želodcu in črevesju in na ta način v bistvu testira, če so produkti dobro prebavljivi. Tako da toliko informacij je bilo naenkrat, da vam težko zdaj vse hkrati poveva, vsekakor pa informacije sledijo.
Yeah, I really enjoyed taking them around. It's been so fun to have them here. And we hope that more of you are able to come out so that we can show you around and just welcome you and greet you. And we appreciate everything you guys do and are so happy to work with you every day. So thank you.
And thank you. And thank you for this great experience here.
Of course, anytime. Anytime. See you later.